getting her right now.
Alright, let's see here. Stella, go get it.
I need it.
No way!
Big girl.
Stella's first crawl. Well, second technically, because she just did it 2 seconds ago.
Oh, wow.
Look out, buddy. Look out. Silas, what do you think? Stella just crawled for the first time. What do you have to say about that?
She's so big.
Yeah?
Mhm.
Stella, are you so big? She just figured it out. It's Silas, come on.
I'm blocking
She just figured it out like 5 seconds ago. Now she's gone.
it.
It's over, Mom.
This open.
Bye.
This is
Bye, Stella.